All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today was not a good day. Lost $740, but it's still okay because when I look at the overall week from July 3rd to July 6th, I am still up $210 on the week. But today was a different kind of day because I want to break down how I lost this money because my computer froze. So during the middle of the trade, my computer froze and I was trying to record the trade. And because I trade on a MacBook Pro, I think I just come to the conclusion that this computer is not strong enough to handle multiple tasks at once. So it's okay. We lost some money today, which is fine. We're still up on the week, which I'm very happy about. We're still up $210. Year to date, we're still doing okay. We are up, let's see here. We're up 17,300 on the year. So we still have some room. But, the screen froze. I don't really want to hold a position that I would have already taken the loss. I was going to take the loss at 50 cents, so that would have been a $350 loss. So we doubled our loss because by the time I got the computer back working, I had to cut the loss and I was already down almost a point and a half on it. But let me just break it down real quick. I'll just show you how it went, where it broke down. So I was trading and I caught this bear trap. So let me actually bring up another screen so you can see it more clearly. All right, so as you can see, Tesla sold off here and it had a massive sell-off right here. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I actually didn't buy in this area, which I was proud of. But I am the lonely guy that bought right up here. Right at this little wick here that you can see. I bought right up here. I thought we were going to break out because I was thinking first candle to make a new high to break this red. Let me see if I can draw an indicator or a drawing just so you can actually see it. So I thought this was my entry right here. Entry at 277.6, which was a terrible entry because as you can see right here at 277.6, that's me right there, and then I died. So I bought here, and then my computer froze right around here, and it was consolidating. It went back down to 276, like 277, and here my computer froze. And by the time my computer came back, I was already down like 3-4 points. So that was kind of worst case scenario. That I wanted to cut my loss at. So I bought here at 277. I want to cut my loss right here, but I wasn't able to because at this time it was 9:46. My computer froze. It was like 9:52. My computer turned back on, and I turned the Fidelity Trader Pro up, and then I turned my computer on, and it was already at 276, and then it was selling off pretty quickly, as you can see, because this is a 1-minute candle. So 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. It only took 5 minutes and I was already down 4 points. So now with 500 shares, I'm already down like almost $2,500. And now I'm kind of thinking, okay, like what can I do in this situation? So I did what every person, any sane person would do is I just said I'm going to hold the bag. So I was already down 4 or 5 points. And so I'll cut the loss if it breaks 272 because I saw this low. And good thing it didn't. I held it back up. So I was down like 2,500, held it all the way back up through all of this, and then I took the loss. I sold when it went back up. So I 277.6 was the entry. I sold, a little bit lower, like 275-ish, like 0.8. So I took the $740 loss. But I just wanted to show it. I'm using a MacBook Pro, and I guess it's not good to try and record while you're doing these trades, but I just figured it would be a good part of the video to see the actual entry and the exit. But the problem was when the computer froze, there was no getting out of this position. So I'm in here at 277.6, computer shuts off. I turn it back on and I'm over here at 276 flat. And I'm like, okay, there's a chance. And then as my computer's loading, it just keeps selling off in those 4 minutes. So should have cut the loss, but with the computer freezing and trying to get back on, it was kind of hard to see what was going on. So anyways, we took a loss today, but that's okay. We're up $210 on the week. So it's just a bump in the road, but we're still green on the week. That's what counts. Just got to focus on that. But I just want to show you the ups and the downs, and trading simplified is always not that simple. Sometimes you lose money. But it's all good. We're still up on the year. We're up on the week. So we'll get them back tomorrow.